What's going on, YouTube? Today I wanted to do a review of the super affiliate system created by John Crestani. Now, for those of you that don't know who John Crestani is, he's a pretty popular affiliate marketer that makes like 6 figures a month doing affiliate marketing, and he's got a really unique way of doing it. And so he actually teaches that inside the super affiliate system. And so I wanted to do a little review on it, tell you guys what I think. If you guys do want to sign up for John's free web class and learn exactly what he does, I will have that linked in the description, so you guys can check that out for yourself and learn a bunch from it. I know just from the web class itself, like you can literally learn a ton to, like, after the web class, go out and actually start and make money. So it's definitely worth your time to do that after this review. So first off, I wanted to go over what he teaches inside the course. So for those of you that are kind of wondering, well, maybe if you're on a lower budget, this is going to be really nice. He teaches free traffic methods that can help you generate your first affiliate commission. He actually has like a little section where he shows you a video and how to get your first commission within 2 hours of watching that video. So that's super cool. And the reason he does that is just to show you that this stuff works. And then he also shows you how to scale free traffic and just keep getting more free traffic and more free traffic. So once it's working, you can just keep scaling it up for free. He also does paid ads training. He goes over YouTube ads, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, and native ads, which are like banners on websites and things of that nature. He teaches a lot about copywriting because that is one of the most important things in his course. A lot of data analysis, looking at different numbers, seeing what's working, stuff like that, and a lot of research, like what to research, what the data means, and stuff like that in the affiliate marketing space. So super cool. And then he also does a bunch of mindset training, which I really liked because most courses don't do that. And I think mindset is honestly, one of the most, if not the most key thing to having success. If you don't have the right mindset, you will not be successful. It's as simple as that. So he has a bunch of different videos on how to get in the right mindset. He shows you a bunch of different goal setting exercises to help you achieve your goals. He does a couple videos on how to not fall into shiny object syndrome, which I know is a problem for a lot of people. I struggled with it myself and still do a little bit to this point, but the videos do really help kind of show you how to kind of get away from it and stray away from it and stay on course for one thing. And then he teaches, like I said, Google AdWords, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, native ads, and more. And so the things I liked about his course, his strategies are very unique, right? So if you guys don't already know, John, the way he does affiliate marketing, he doesn't use an email list at all. And if you look around the affiliate marketing space, everybody's always saying, oh, it's all about building that list and so you can retarget, blah, blah, blah. And John doesn't do that, but it works insanely well for him because he's got a really good strategy. So basically what his strategy is he makes pre-sale pages, which are almost kind of like articles. And so he kind of makes like an article talking about the product, but you'll have to see what he talks about in the free training. I'm trying to explain it the best as I can, but basically it's like an article, and it seems like an article, but yet it has links to the product, but it doesn't seem like it's selling somebody, if that makes sense. So it just seems like a regular article with links to the product, and throughout it's informing you about the product and different strategies. So it gets cold traffic warmed up really quick without them even knowing they're being sold to, right? So when they click that link, John shows you the certain type of products to promote so people buy right away. And so because you don't need an email list, this is low budget friendly. Like I said, he shows you how to do free traffic, and you're not going to be having to pay for an email autoresponder, which, if you have a big list, that'll save you thousands of dollars, right? One thing I liked is the training was very thorough, and I just really like John as a person. I thought he does a great job in his training, explaining things and stuff of that nature. So really like that. Another thing, he has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So for those of you that are maybe kind of questioning, whether should I join or not, There's pretty much no risk because, if within 30 days you're like, okay, this isn't for me, you get your money back right away, no questions asked. So there's literally no risk to you. And there's also tons of bonuses included, which I will talk about on the next slide. Another thing I really loved is he does weekly webinars for people inside the course. So, not only do you have like a 12-week course you go through, but still every single week he's doing webinars and teaching you more and more. So the course is literally like never ending. And he also updates the course pretty frequently. He just rolled out the second whole version of the course, Super Affiliate System 2.0. So super cool. Really, really enjoyed it. Really thought his strategy was cool. Because like I said, you basically are either running free traffic or paid ads to pre-sell pages. And then those pre-sell pages warm up the traffic, and then it takes them to the product, and then they buy, and you make a bunch of money. I'll show the bonuses after this one. I just want to give a couple results from his course. He has had, I think it's like 3 or 5 7-figure affiliates from his course. So these people have made over $1 million, which is insane because you almost never hear of anything like that. Like you hear people get good results, like, oh yeah, I make $100 a day from it. He's got people making millions, and that is insane to me. And the course hasn't even been out that long, like 1 or 2 years maybe, so that's insane. He's got thousands of people making 5 and 6 figures, and they now do affiliate marketing full time, and I know that's probably what you guys are looking to do, right? Get in that laptop lifestyle, be able to kind of work whenever, wherever. He's got thousands of people being able to do that because of his training. And he's also got plenty more thousands of people just making their first affiliate commissions online, which I know can be extremely hard for some people. I know it was for me, and he's able to give people that first commission. And the thing is, once you get your first commission, it's game on because okay, I got my first commission, this thing actually works, it's time to go. So he's had amazing results. I was really impressed when I saw all those. Really, really good results. And so the bonuses that I really liked, by joining his course, you get $900 in free advertising credit. So basically on all the different platforms he teaches, he gives you advertising credit, so you don't have to spend like money up front to run ads. He's basically giving you money to run for it. And he gives $900. So that almost covers the cost of the entire course. So that is awesome. He also gives you done-for-you downloadable pre-sell templates. So I know a lot of you guys are probably thinking like, oh, I don't know anything about pre-selling or anything like that. He gives you the exact templates to use, and then you just kind of plug and play based on the product you're selling. And those are his templates that he actually uses like in his business. So they are proven to get results, very high converting. He also gives you exclusive access to different high ticket offers that you can promote. So by high ticket, I mean like you'll get like $500 or more every single commission. So you get exclusive access to those, which is cool because high ticket affiliate marketing is really interesting. I haven't gotten to it too much, but I definitely plan to in the future. And he also gives you access to proven ads that you can just copy and paste basically the information about what you're selling in, right? So very, very cool. Really good bonuses. So here's what I recommend you do. So linked in the description is John's free training. Okay, even if you have no intention of buying the course or anything, check out his free training. You will learn a ton from it, and you'll come out of that free training you'll be like, wow, I can't believe I never thought of this. Like, this is almost revolutionary. That's at least what I thought when I saw the free training. And if you are interested in getting the course, go ahead and get it. People have gotten amazing results, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, right? So you got nothing to lose. If within 30 days you're not getting results or you don't like it, you say, hey, I want my money back. Money comes back. You go on with your life, right? And like I said, if you're not interested in buying the course, just watch the webinar, and you'll learn enough to be able to go out and get results just from watching the webinar. So you might as well do it. I think it's like an hour and a half, about hour and 40 minutes. So do it when you have some open time or right now. And yeah, that's pretty much my review on it. Really, really enjoyed going through the super affiliate system and the unique strategy it taught. And I think it's just a really cool idea that he does, no email list, straight to pre-sale, because that is like true passive. Like, you're not going to have to send out emails to people every day. You basically just turn on your ads and sit back. So really cool. Like I said, if you guys do want to check out the free training, it will be linked in the description. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to drop a like.